All right, so this is my rollerball massage tool. I got this to help massage my whole body to release muscle tension. All right, so there are 12 individual rolls that have 3 balls each for better massage coverage. This is made of solid wood. There are also 2 handles to help guide the massage tool. Let me show you the massager in action so you can get a better idea of how it works. All right, so here's the massage tool. I grab it by the handles. All right, so I can do the front of my belly if I wanted to massage my belly, or I can go around the back and massage my back. Now, I have been using this, but I have also found with the muscle tension release that I also have gotten better looking legs because my cellulite has gone down. And I noticed a little bit more contouring to my body as well. I could also do my legs if I wanted to, or my neck and upper back. You choose the pressure in which you want, but I will tell you, just don't do it too hard because there is a chance that you can leave some bruising or have pain afterwards.